Learn and speak English. He is lame of one leg. He is lame of one leg. Are your eyes sore? Are your eyes sore? She is at her wit's end. She is at her wit's end. He was taken aback. He was taken aback. Horses feed on grass. Horses feed on grass. He is blind of one eye. He is blind of one eye. He burst into laughter. He burst into laughter. Keep him at a distance. Keep him at a distance. Mind your own business. Mind your own business. Be aware of pickpockets. Be aware of pickpockets. She is blessed with a son. She is blessed with a son. This pair of shoes pains me. This pair of shoes pains me. Switch on the lights. Switch on the lights. Turn off the fan. Turn off the fan. We laid out a garden. We laid out a garden. My front tooth aches. My front tooth aches. Please like, subscribe, share and comment.